Hey guys, welcome to the new video. So here we have the iPhone 14 Pro Max. This is a 512GB storage variant and it costs 1,70,000 rupees. So let's unbox it. Just by pulling the tabs at the back, opening up on the top, there is the mobile. We'll keep it aside. And then there is a Type-C to Lightning cable, a SIM ejector tool, some paperwork and an Apple sticker. Coming to the mobile, let's just peel off the sticker from the screen, and this is the new space black color. So now let's just turn it on. Before it turns on, we also have a MagSafe case for the iPhone. So let's quickly unbox it. This is a elderberry colored case. So here it is, and that is all about the unboxing. So coming to the design, it has a smooth matte glass finish on the back panel and the sides are made up of stainless steel. Now coming to the ports and buttons, it has a power button on the right, then a volume rocker and an alert slider on the left, and on the bottom there is a lightning port and dual speakers. On the front it has a completely flat display with flat edges on the side. So this mobile is provided with a new 6.7-inch LTPO display with 120Hz refresh rate. It also produces the colors so accurately while watching videos, and it has a peak brightness of 2000 nits which can be used in the brighter conditions as well. So this iPhone comes up with the always on display which brings the screen down to 1 Hz when it is not in use or when the phone is face down. And we can enable this just by going to the settings, then display and brightness, and there it is. You can turn it on or off as you wish. So now coming to the most awaited feature, the dynamic island, which is the new pill-shaped cutout on the top. It acts as a mini multitasking bar. So when you're playing a song and you want to use another app, it minimizes it with a super smooth animation. Then if you long press on it, a widget pops up with some media controls to pause or to skip to the next song. And then if you tap on it, it opens up the app. So it does system alerts for things like an incoming phone call or while plugging into a charger and many more. And then at last, it is also a UI for live activities happening in the background like screen recording or music playing in the background or timer counting down and many more. Talking about the camera part, on the back it has a triple camera setup with a 48 megapixel main camera, 12 megapixel ultra wide camera and 12 megapixel telephoto camera. In this iPhone, the cinematic mode has been updated to 4K 30fps and a new feature called action mode was added which stabilizes the video so well, and it shoots in 2.8K resolution. If you want to take a photo from the 48 megapixel camera, you could just enable the RAW mode on the top. But the size of the photo will vary from 75 MB and upwards. While on the front, it has a 12 megapixel selfie camera with autofocus feature. Coming to the performance, this mobile is provided with the A16 Bionic chip, which has an incredible processing power. It is capable of shooting and editing 4K videos on the go, and it also runs so smoothly while closing or opening apps or while scrolling up and down. So this iPhone comes up with two new safety features. First is the SOS via satellite. In case if you are lost in a place where there is no cellular service available, the iPhone directly communicates with the satellite and connects to the local emergency service nearby. And second is a feature we never want to use, the crash detection. In case of a severe car crash, it immediately detects it and automatically contacts the emergency services if the user is unresponsive. Finally, coming to the battery, it has a 4323 mAh battery. This mobile gives an extra hour of battery life with the always on display compared to the iPhone 13 Pro Max, which is a really good upgrade. And as every year, the charging speed remains the same for this mobile as well. So that's been it. Thanks for watching. Catch you up in the next video.